We are beginning today's journey. We have already received 3 to 4 rescue calls. We are now at Edavilakam in the Thiruvananthapuram district of Kerala. This place is near Mangalapuram on the way to Murukkumpuzha. A snake was spotted at a house about 100 to 200 meters away from here. It is raining intensely. The house is small and a poor family lives there. The snake is in the pit dug for the septic tank. They said it is a small snake, so let us go there and check. We are now at the location. You can see the house. Its roof is leaking. This is a place where poor people live. They said it was a small cobra, but no. It is actually a 6-year-old male cobra. The pit is not very deep. It is only about 4 feet deep. We shall lift the snake with a long stick. We have done it and it is holding on to the stick like an obedient friend. This is indeed a male, more than 6 years old. This is the natural color of the cobra. The rat snake has a different color. Another call has also come. This one is again from Thiruvananthapuram. It is raining heavily now, so let us go to the next location. We are on the way to the next location. Before taking up the next job, let me show you the cobra I caught from a house last night. Since it was already 2 a.m., I couldn't release it then. I shall show you. It is a snake with the tail end cut off. See, this snake has a tendency to lean forward and strike. nearly 10 years old. A spectacled cobra. Naja naja is the scientific name of the Indian cobra, also known as the spectacled cobra. I encountered it last night. It is a fully grown healthy cobra. After bottling it, we shall move to the next location. Here is the next spot. The pit is about 50 feet deep. This is not a big cobra, it is a small one, just 3 years old. Locally it is called Sarpam. This is the guest that gave a sleepless night to the people here. People around can have a clear look at it. So let us bottle the snake caught from Mailam in the Kollam district of Kerala. Now we have one more place to go. At this house, a small snake was spotted in a crack between two adjoining side walls of a room. Usually the snakes seen on walls are wolf snakes. This species is locally known as churuta or chuvar pamb. Some older people call it vari churuta. So we can easily guess that this is that snake. Only that species can sit comfortably in cracks like this. This wolf snake is above 4 years old and it is commonly seen in houses. It is a female snake. In Malayalam, old timers used to call it Vari Churutta. Lizards are one of its favorite foods, which is why it sneaks into gaps like this. This is how it bites. Its bite is not dangerous. However, there will be slight pain. This species is known by different names in Kerala. Let us bag it and head to the next location.